What's the meaning of all my children? All my children. All my children. All my children. All my children. All my children.
All My Children is the title of a long-running American soap opera television series. The show premiered in January 1970 and aired for 41 years until its cancellation in September 2011. The series was known for its ensemble cast and multiple storylines that focused on relationships, family drama, and social issues. All My Children was a groundbreaking show for daytime television, featuring diverse characters and controversial storylines such as same-sex relationships and drug addiction. The show has won numerous awards and has become an iconic part of American television history.